Now let's look at the essential elements of Ernesto Escobedo hitting a backhand. We see right here from the ready position, he's going to set his wrists right here and start moving and get into that unit turn as he moves. And here he's in the unit turn right there. Now he's going to plant onto that left foot and he's going to load the swing and see how the swing goes back. His shoulders are turning more, loading the swing, it goes back, and then he drops below, the racket head drops below the wrist, and the wrists are laid back and locked there. And watch, he's going to push into that foot and his left hip's going to open, the left shoulder's coming through, bringing the swing, and watch, he's using his whole legs to get his swing up and through the ball. He's pressing through it right now in front and then brushing up and over the ball with the weight forward. And let's watch this all again from the beginning. All the way back from the ready position, the hands in front as you're moving, setting the wrist, doing the unit turn right there, loading and then dropping the swing with the wrist back and then coming through, everything forward, pressing and brushing up through the hit.